Unraveling the mystery of old family recipes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase that's close to many people's hearts: old family recipes. This phrase is not just about food. It's about heritage, tradition, and memories. So, let's embark on this delicious linguistic journey together. Old family recipes refers to those treasured cooking instructions that have been passed down from generation to generation within a family. These recipes are often handwritten and kept in old notebooks, on scraps of paper, or simply memorized by family members. The key aspects here are age, their old, origin, they come from family, and value. They're treasured not just for their flavors but for the stories and memories they carry. Old family recipes are much more than just a way to prepare food. They are a link to the past, connecting current and future generations with their ancestors. These recipes often come with stories about the people who created or perfected them, the occasions they were made for, and the love shared around the table. They represent a family's cultural heritage, identity, and traditions. In a way, cooking an old family recipe is like time traveling to sit at a table with ancestors you may have never met. Let's take a hypothetical example: a recipe for Grandma's apple pie. This isn't just any apple pie recipe. It's a special one that has been made in your family for holidays, celebrations, or as a treat for special guests. Making Grandma's apple pie isn't just about following a list of ingredients and steps. It's about recreating a piece of family history and keeping Grandma's memory alive. Another example could be Uncle Joe's barbecue sauce. Perhaps Uncle Joe was known for his barbecues, and this sauce was his secret to making the food unforgettable. The recipe is now a prized family possession, shared with pride and made on special occasions to remember Uncle Joe's joy and the gatherings he hosted. Preserving old family recipes is crucial for keeping the family heritage and traditions alive. This can be done by writing them down in a special cookbook, recording cooking sessions with the older generation, or even creating digital copies to share with family members worldwide. The act of passing down these recipes is a gesture of love, ensuring that future generations can experience the same tastes, smells, and memories that have brought the family together for years. Old family recipes are more than just instructions for making food. They are precious links to our past, embodying the love, tradition, and history of our families. By exploring and preserving these recipes, we not only honor our ancestors but also enrich our lives with a sense of continuity and identity. We hope this video has inspired you to discover and cherish your own family's culinary heritage. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey. Stay tuned for more insights into the beautiful world of the English language. Remember, every dish tells a story. What's yours?